What is going on, guys? Welcome to the first episode of unboxing some cool shit. I went out and I bought some Ninja Turtles action figures. Here you got Raphael and Casey Jones. First, let's go ahead and open up Raphael. The idea is we're going to get some of these action figures and we're going to be doing some death battles with them. Do some stop motion death battles. As you can see on the back here, and you got the 4 turtles. Then you got some villains here. What do we got here? This is their stealth stuff. Looks like this is Casey Jones, Splinter, the Shredder. The Shredder looks kind of fucking stupid, honestly. I might have to go. I don't know if that'll zoom in or not. I might have to go find a better Shredder online or something because he looks fucking. For the Shredder, he looks like a fucking idiot. Honestly, he looks like fucking Foot Clan soldier with 2 claws is all he looks like to me. He should be a lot more beast than that. Foot soldier, you know, obviously you can see the foot soldier and you can see the Shredder right there. Honestly, the foot soldier almost looks a little fucking better than the Shredder, which is ridiculous. Shredder should have some beast shoulder pads and fucking a lot beaster helmet than he's got there. Bebop, Rocksteady, obviously, and Krang. So, got a couple more to get. Get yourself a box. I got this at Walmart. It was like $9. So let's go ahead and open her up. Let's check him out here. See what kind of action he's actually got. He's got kind of a cool little thing here. We'll seem a little close for that. Anyway, he's got 2 slots in the back. He's got a cool little shoulder pad there. His head moves. His head's moving there. Down, up, left, right. Arm moves. Arm moves. Wrist moves. Wrist moves. Legs in, out, in, out. Looks like they got bearable knees. Foot doesn't have, the ankle doesn't move, but everything else seems to do pretty good. And he can't spin, you know, like he doesn't move in the middle. Looks pretty badass though, huh? Oh. See how he holds a weapon here. Well, he holds that pretty good. How's this thing supposed to be? It's got some upgraded weapons and shit. You know, we'll play some Minecraft, player. Ho, ho, ho. Alright, well, let's see. Can he even stand on his own? Here we go. Here we go. What's going on, you sons of bitches? Let's see here. It came with this little instruction booklet. Oh, of course, all the cool shit you can buy for your kids. The turtle van, the fucking technodrome, city sewer, all the characters. Cool. Alright. So there is Raphael. See if I can put him somewhere where he won't get in the way of me opening the next one. Phone always likes to beep twice. Casey Jones! Casey Jones! No, it's on there for good. It looks like it would almost come off, but that would be way too cool if it did, huh? So he's got elbow, arm, he's a lot more stiff than the Ninja Turtle, that's for sure. Look how that's all the higher his knee can go. You know, how high can Raphael's knee go? Not much higher, I guess. Oh. Hold on the hockey stick very well either. I'm not overly impressed with this Casey Jones here. He's been neglected by the designers. This hockey stick should be a lot fucking better than what it is. Like he can't even barely get two hands in this thing yet. He can get two hands in this thing, but then it's bent like fucking. What the fuck? I expected more from Casey Jones. Raphael's awfully sweet. Pretty fucking sweet. I wish his head came back a little more so he'd look up. So, that's it right there, guys. Raphael, Casey Jones. Tune in for another episode. We'll get, you know, maybe Leonardo and somebody else. So, check out our videos coming to you soon. Stop action death battles. First one is going to be Raphael versus Casey Jones. Comment below on who you think is going to win, or who you would like to win, and why.